So today we have none other than the Marathi superstar and the bold with beauty Sai Tamankar. Firstly, Sai, I want to thank you for managing a time for this interview. Like really, thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
Yeah, so first question, post this whole quarantine, like how was the lockdown for you?
Well, it was very interesting. I had never spent time with myself for such a long time. I was all by myself during the lockdown. It was frustrating, interesting, adventurous. Yeah, all things together. I learned how to make chapatis in lockdown. So yeah, I think
That's
it was
great.
productive as well. Yes.
So, coming up to the interview, my first question to you is like, as we know that you come from a total different background, like, so how did you got this passion for acting? Like, where did you got it from?
I think it wouldn't be wrong if I said that this field chose me really because, like every other teenager, I wanted to become something else every month. Uh, January, I felt like becoming an air hostess. Then February, I felt I should be a marketing representative. Then March, I felt, oh no, I should cook and apply for probably hotel management. So like every other teenager, I was a confused teenager, and in that state, I did my first play. And I realized कि भाई इतने concentration के साथ कभी खुद की दांत भी brush नहीं किए हैं. So this is something very, this is different and gives me a sort of a high. And it is very, very interesting to, become somebody else and to step into somebody else's nature and execute it. The whole process was very, very interesting. So I kept on doing plays, intercollegiate plays, some state level competition plays,
Okay.
and that's how I got offered a serial. And without thinking anything else, I said, okay, I'll do it. And I've been shooting ever since. So yeah, I would say that this field chose me really.
So, if I'm not wrong, then like you got your first award while you were doing your plays, I guess, right? As
Yes,
best actress.
yes. I got this award for this intercollegiate drama competition.
Yes.
Yeah, that was quite surprising, but yeah, it also encouraged me, and it sort of pushed
Boosted
me
your.
to, yeah, it pushed me to stay very rooted and very firm on my decision of choosing this field.
Okay. So my next question is this was a surprise while I was researching about you. This was quite a surprise for me that you first came into Mumbai after you got into a serial, right? And you were pursuing
Correct.
hotel management along with it. So like what is the
Yes.
combination? Like was it any parental
So
pressure or you wanted it?
no, like I said, I really, really had interest in hotel management, but I could not pass the exam. I missed the interview call. Probably
Okay.
I was destined to be here. But yeah, एक होता है ना कि कुछ पढ़ाई में भी plan B होना चाहिए.
Yes. Definitely.
These thoughts also, subconsciously they used to play in my mind. But I guess I was destined to do this full time and, drown myself in acting. That's what happened.
Okay. Okay. So, you are among those very few successful actresses who have chose roles in movies in spite of those roles having very small span of time in the movie. So, like, didn't this time matter bother you ever in your selection of movies?
I always believe it should always be quality over quantity. If
Okay.
you are a, if you know your job well, even if you appear on screen for 10 seconds, people will remember you. And I strongly believe that.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
any character which pulls me personally, that character is mine, I guess. And that's what I've been following, and it has been working. So it doesn't really matter for me ki length kitna hai, kitne scenes hai. If the material is nice, if I can, if even if there is one scene and I know I can change that scene into something else, I just go for it. And it has always worked for me. And I
And
think
you did,
this
yeah,
is,
exactly. Love Sonia
yeah,
was
this is,
exceptionally well for you.
yeah. So I guess this, it, it really matters on how you are as a person also. And I think this is one of the qualities that I admire and I am thankful that I have. I would never look at the length of the character here on also in future. So yeah, the character which stirs me from within or excites me or something that I haven't done before is my character, I
You
believe.
go for it. You go for it.
Yes, absolutely.
And that this is something really nice. Like not many actors do this, but this is something really, really nice. Like another question
Thank
which
you.
comes up to my mind on choosing roles, like you started your career with great films, but as a supporting actor. So like in and then you got into a movie that where you did a debut as a lead actress, if I'm not wrong. So like, did it ever
Um,
bother you in your initial days that I'm not going to like act as a supporting actor? I'll wait for the big break, something like that.
well, I did only one film. That was technically my first film called Black and White with Mr.
Yes,
Subhash Ghai.
Shivas guy.
And then I immediately did Sanai Chaugare, which was my debut in Marathi.
Okay.
So, technically speaking, it was not many projects back to back as a supporting cast, but only one. But yeah, like I told you, it doesn't matter. If you have to shine, you can shine through one scene, two scenes, 10 seconds, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, definitely. You're absolutely right on that. You're absolutely right on that. But still, like, did you ever think that, no, I'll wait for the correct moment, I'll get that role and then I'll do my debut? Did it ever strike your mind that way?
I think I'm very thankful that I got my debut was huge because it was backed by Mukta Arts.
Yeah,
Shreyas Talpade played a very crucial part in the film. And I think one must be very lucky to have such a platform, such a great production house. So
definitely.
I think my debut was bang on, and it only pushed me towards getting substantial roles, good roles, performance oriented roles. So yeah, no regrets.
Okay. So my next question is like another very, bold move that you took was when you were doing such bold characters, you were playing very bold characters in the Marathi films, and suddenly you decide to do a film like Anumati. So that whole switch of character from that whole avatar to a new one, like was it difficult? Which one was more difficult? Like the like playing of a character like Anumat in Anumati, or was it difficult in the other roles that you played? Which was more difficult?
This is like asking whether I listen to my mom more or dad more. It's a very difficult and tricky question. But let me simplify this. An actor should be able to step into any kind of personality and execute it. It doesn't matter if the character is bold or homely or domesticated. I think it should not matter. So it has never mattered to me कि क्या character है, कितना bold है या कितना घरेलू है. It does not make sense for me.
Yeah.
A character which attracts me is my character. So when I did Anumati, there was no thought ki, now I've done this, can I do this, or will I be able to do this? No. I think when that's the idea of this profession, you have to explore personalities, various personalities, and that is my idea of pursuing this form of art, that I get to explore so many personalities. So some are bold, some are domesticated, some are simple, and I enjoy everything, every character. There's no favorites as per se.
Okay, okay, that's great. Like still, like I thought that maybe it would have been as like as an actor for everybody, it's very difficult, to switch on characters because suddenly you are playing this and suddenly the next moment you are playing something else. So I thought it must have been difficult for you, but that's great that you went with the flow. That's it's really nice.
Yes, yes. I never really thought that, I never really thought about if I do this, what will happen, or if I do that character, what will happen. It was always some projects, some films, some characters I have played for myself because I like them. So yeah, it has always been like that.
Okay. So coming up to the next question is you were the first Marathi actress to don a bikini. So like when you had like when you came to know that you have to wear a bikini for this role, like was it difficult for you to decide that whether you want to wear or you don't want to wear because you were the first of the lot. So was it difficult? Like
Not really. I mean, practically speaking, if the character is, hanging out on a beach, what would that character wear? A bikini, right? It's
yeah,
very logical, and I think an actor should be comfortable wearing a bikini also and a 6 yard sari also. That's
yeah,
our job,
definitely.
right?
Yeah,
So yeah, it wasn't difficult, but yes, I'm very glad that media and my fans, they really really welcomed me in that avatar.
yeah,
Nobody, I was not criticized, which I was really skeptical कि अब क्या होगा, what will people say, एक होता है ना, what will people say. But that did not happen. They were happy that somebody's breaking the usual norms and doing something out of the box.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah, that was very encouraging.
But at the same time, I guess there was a bit of criticism as well in the society because we still live in a society where people are not, they don't wholeheartedly accept these kind of moves, especially when you are a actress. So like, did those comments really affect you or your family during that time? Did it ever bother you, those comments?
Well, listen, when you step into such a profession, you are already being judged. It's a given that people are going to judge you no matter what you do. So it did not
Definitely
really
right.
bother me. It did not really bother me. And my family is very cool. They are very cool. I'm very fortunate that I have the coolest family on this planet. I feel I'm only answerable to my parents and nobody else, and they are quite cool. So it was
And
all
that's how it
smooth.
should be. That's how it should be
Yes,
because they brought you
ideally,
to
yes,
the world. So
yes,
yeah, definitely that justified totally. Yeah,
yes.
I totally agree to that. So again, you made headlines with your very famous kissing scene that you did in Pune 52. So that was another bold move that you did, and people actually started liking that bold avatar that you started playing on screen. So, like, again, here you were the first of the lot to do something totally different. So, what do you think? Like, being first in the lot, was it a crucial decision every time you decided on doing something like this? Like, did it ever come up to your mind or pop up in your head that I'm doing it, so should I do it, or like something like that?
Never, never. I'm a person who does not have inhibitions in life also. And I think that reflects my choice of roles, I think. So it did reflect when I did Pune. I loved Pune 52's character, Neha. It is the most complicated character I have played so far. And it was definitely not easy playing Neha. But yeah, at the same time, it was very fascinating. And that's what, it had drawn me to the character. So when I choose roles, my focus is not on the kissing scene. My focus is, what do I get to play here? What do I get to explore as a person when I step into that character? And what I
Yes.
was going to explore was very complicated, very, it was complicated. There is no other word for it. And I had never played anything like that before. That is
Okay.
why probably no thoughts, touched me of sorts कि ये करूं कि नहीं करूं. ऐसा कभी I never thought on those lines.
Because with like I have also seen like with every next movie, like you have, you have brought in a new character. You haven't played a, very similar
Yeah,
roles.
yeah,
That's something really interesting about any movie you do, like whether it be a tomboy girl that you played in Classmate. I absolutely love
yeah.
that role of yours. And
Thank you.
especially, can you please say that one line that is very famous about, about Chaddi you say in that whole film? Oh God, that became a hook line for every girl that
Yes,
time.
yes, yes.
Could you please
Uh,
just say once?
sure. Anya, चड्डीत राहायचा.
Oh, that was amazing, amazing. I still can't forget that thing. So,
Thank you.
like one film that you did in your career, and you have given your soul and heart to that role of film, and you thought that that movie didn't get the correct appreciation that it should have got. Like which role or which movie, according to you?
I think Rakshas. Uh, for me,
Okay.
Rakshas was a very, very interesting film. It was completely a different genre, and I would have been happier if it would have seen some box office movement, which it did not. But what a pleasure doing that film. Completely different genre, completely different concept, and yes, I loved it.
Okay. So coming up to the next segment, which is quite interesting. Like while I was,
Mhm.
like doing this segment, I was very interested in knowing what you are going to answer to these. So I'm
Okay,
going to say you few statements, and you got to like say whether it's true or false. Okay.
okay,
Number one, you got a call from a director who asked you to sleep for a role.
false.
Okay. While you were dating Ghanshyam, you lied to the media that you weren't dating him. I think this is
True.
definitely true.
True. True.
Marathi films are better content than Bollywood.
This is again a tricky question. I'd say true just for the love of my mother tongue, but you see so many different subjects now in Bollywood. Things have changed.
Yes.
Things definitely have changed, and the change is very, very welcoming.
Yeah. Last question for this round is intimate scenes are fun sometimes, but actors don't admit it often.
False.
Okay.
False.
So coming up, so like you think that it's not like is it awkward or something like that?
It's very technical, yeah. It's very technical. You have to take care of 100 things while you're doing, while you're performing. So you can't really enjoy that because it's all very technical and bland. Even if you want to enjoy, you cannot because it's very, very technical.
And what if the actor is Ghanshyam?
I don't know. Maybe now, maybe not.
Okay. So coming up to the next segment, which is peekaboo. So you have to basically in this round you have to say a word or a phrase for every question I ask you, and some of the questions are hypothetical, so you can answer
Okay.
accordingly. First
Okay.
question: one character that you played and you absolutely related yourself with.
I think Alicia from Girlfriend.
Okay. Next, one character in a film that you wish you had played or you think you could have played better than the other actor.
Should I say this?
Yeah,
uh,
please.
I guess Rockstar,
Okay.
uh, the character played by Nargis Fakhri. I think
Okay.
I would have done a better job. With all
Okay.
due respect.
Next question. One movie that you passed on and regretted later.
Hmm.
I'm sure there has been a movie, I guess.
Not really. Not really. None.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. One actor that you wish to work with in the coming days.
Ayushmann Khurrana. I love his choices.
Okay. One actor from the current generation you would like to date. That's
Siddhant
hypothetical, huh?
Chaturvedi. Siddhant
Oh,
Chaturvedi.
our choices match a lot. So, coming up to the last segment of the whole interview, that is like we have named it as other side. So this is basically for our viewers who are your fans. So they want like
Mhm.
tell us something about you, the other side of you that not many people know, and you would like to share it with us. Please tell us something.
I am a very emotional person. I don't know if people know this about me, but I am. And I can cook everything. People often get very surprised, bedazzled when I tell them I can cook everything. So a lot of people don't know that I can cook.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great. It was so nice talking to you, and thanks a lot for coming
Thank
to
you.
in conversation with Onvi. I hope
Thank
we
you.
again get a chance to have a conversation like this. That this was a great,
Fingers
great.
crossed. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you,
Be
thank
safe.
you so much.
Bye bye.